the outline stitch. So I cut out to the O, and we're gonna do the outline stitch with 2 strands of red. And I am just gonna start up here. Let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So the outline stitch is very common in these kits, and make sure your thread is up. And we are just making little T's. You kind of see what I mean? So it's kind of like a T. We're gonna keep going. I'm gonna use the edge as like the middle ground. And we're trying to go and cover the stamp. That is the goal of this stitch. Hopefully that makes sense to you. Now when we get on the edge, it's a little tricky, especially since sometimes the felt you're working on is a little thin. This felt is actually decent, this color anyway. And if your outline stitch does not look pretty, that's okay, especially if you are a beginner. You get lots of practice on this letter. Okay, once we're pretty at the edge, pretty much. Try not to go all the way to the edge because sometimes the felt frays. So I'm just gonna go right here and pull it. Yeah, it's a little bit weak there. So I'm gonna go a little closer to here. I might just go like this. Kind of angle it towards the inside. Like that. Looks pretty good. Now we're going to double knot the back. Okay. And I like to hide my tails. I know some people don't really care, but I like to have a clean back. Of course, I don't have my scissors. So here is the outline stitch. Simple. Here is a close-up of the outline stitch. I hope that this little video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.